What if I told you there's a platform where you can earn serious dollars, sometimes up to $200 an hour just by sharing your professional insights? In this video, I'm taking a deep dive into everything you need to know about Respondent.io. Is it legit? Who can join? And most importantly, how can you start earning these impressive figures? Let's get straight into it. Welcome back to the channel, where we explore real ways to boost your income online here in Nigeria. Today, we're focusing on Respondent.io, a platform that connects researchers with professionals like you for paid studies and interviews. Unlike typical survey sites, these studies are often in-depth, targeting specific industries and expertise, which is why the payouts are significantly higher. Understanding Respondent.io. Respondent.io essentially acts as a marketplace. Researchers, often from universities or large companies, need to speak with people in specific roles. Think software developers, marketers, business owners, etc. They post their studies on Respondent.io, outlining the requirements and the compensation offered. If your profile matches their criteria, you'll be invited to participate, signing up and creating a winning profile. Getting started with Respondent.io involves a few key steps. 1. Sign up. Head over to the Respondent.io website and sign up as a participant. You can usually sign up with your email or a social media account. 2. Profile creation. This is where you need to invest time and be thorough. Fill out every section of your profile with accurate details about your current and past job roles, industries you've worked in, your skills, and your areas of expertise. The more detailed and truthful you are, the better your chances of being matched with relevant studies. Think of your profile as your professional resume for research opportunities. 3. Connecting your accounts. Respondent.io often allows you to connect your professional social media profiles like LinkedIn. This helps them verify your professional background and can increase your eligibility for certain studies. Make sure your connected profiles are up to date. Finding and participating in studies. Once your profile is set up, you'll start seeing invitations to participate in studies that match your background. These invitations will typically appear on your dashboard or be sent to your email. When you see a study that interests you and you meet the requirements, you'll usually need to answer a few screening questions to confirm your eligibility. Be honest in your responses. If you're a good fit, you'll be selected to participate. Make sure you read the study details carefully, including the time commitment and the compensation offered, before you apply. Getting paid in Nigeria. Now, for the crucial question, how do you get paid in Nigeria? According to my research, the primary payment method on Respondent.io is PayPal. This means, just like with other platforms we've discussed, having a verified PayPal account that can receive international payments is essential. Once you complete a study, the payment is usually processed within a few days and credited to your PayPal account. From there, you'll need to have a reliable method for withdrawing your funds from PayPal to your Nigerian bank account. Services like Gray.co or Payoneer might be useful for this, so make sure to research the best options available to you in Nigeria. So, is Respondent.io a legitimate way for professionals in Nigeria to earn significant income online? Based on my research, the answer is a resounding yes. The earning potential is incredibly high compared to other platforms, and the work is based on your valuable professional experience. While it might require a bit more effort in setting up a detailed profile, the rewards can be substantial. If you're ready to leverage your expertise and earn real dollars online, I highly recommend checking out Respondent.io. Have you tried Respondent.io, or are you planning to? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into online earning opportunities in Nigeria. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.